हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, चैप्टर 2 फ्रैक्शन एंड डेसिमल। स्टूडेंट्स, आपकी सुविधा के लिए नीचे मेरा नंबर दिया गया है। तो चलिए स्टूडेंट्स स्टार्ट करते हैं आज की क्लास। डिवीजन ऑफ डेसिमल नंबर, डिवीजन बाय 110, 100 and thousands. Let us see if you can find a pattern for division number by 10, 100 and 1000. This may help us in the division number by 10, 100 or 1000 in shorter way. 31.5 divided 10, 3.15. 31.5 100, 0.315. 31.5 into 1000, 0.0315. 231.5 into 10 is equal to 23.15. 231.5 divided 10 is equal to 23.15 and 10,000 से डिवाइड करने पर we get 0.2315. 1.5 divided 10 is equal to 0.15. 100 डिवाइड करेंगे 0.015 and 1000 डिवाइड करेंगे 0.0015 and 29.36 divided 10 is equal to 29.36 divided 10 is equal to 2.936 and divided by 100 is equal to 0.2936 and divided by 1000 equal to 0.02936. So we can say that while dividing a number by 10, 100 or 1000, the digits of the numbers and the quotient are same, but the decimal point in the quotient shift to the left by as many places as there are zeros over 1. Using this observation, let us now quickly find 2.38 divided 10, 0.238, 2.38 divided 100, 0.0238 and 2.38 divided 1000, 0.00238. Now students, exercise 2.7. First question, find 0.4 divided 2. 4 by 10 divided 2 is equal to 4 by 10 into 1 upon 2 is equal to 2 upon 10 is equal to 0.2. Second, 0.35 divided 5 equal to 35 by 100 divided 5. 35 by 100 into 1 upon 5. 7 by 100 equal to 0.07. Third, 2.48 divided 4. 248 upon 100 divided 4. 248 upon 100 into 1 upon 4. 62 upon 100 is equal to 0.62. Fourth, 65.4 divided 6. 654 upon 10 divided 6. 654 upon 10 into 1 upon 6. 109 upon 10 is equal to 10.9. 5. 651.2 divided 4. 6512 upon 10 divided 4. 6512 upon 10 into 1 upon 4. 1628 upon 10. 162.8. 6. 14.49 divided 7. 1449 by 100 divided 7. 1449 upon 100 into 1 upon 7. 207 upon 100 is equal to 2.07. 3.96 divided 4. 396 upon 100 divided 4. 396 upon 100 into 1 upon 4. 99 upon 100 is equal to 0.99. Eighth, 0.80 divided 5. 80 upon 100 divided 5. 80 upon 100 into 1 upon 5. 16 upon 100 is equal to 0.16. Now students, next question. Find first answer. We know that when a decimal number is divided by a multiple of 10 only, that is 10, 100, 1000, etc., the decimal point will be shifted to the left by as many places as there are zeros. Since here we are dividing by 10, the decimal will shift to the left by one place. So first, 4.8 divided 10 is equal to 0.48. 52.5 divided 10 is equal to 5.25. 0.7 divided 10 is equal to 0.07. 33.1 divided 10 is equal to 3.31. 272.23 divided 10 is equal to 27.223 and 0.56 divided 10 is equal to 0.056, and 3.97 divided 10 is equal to 0.397. Now students, find first 2.7 divided 100. We know that even decimal number is divided by multiplied by 10 only. 10, 100, 1000, a decimal point will be shift to their left by as many places there are zeros. So 2.7 divided 100 is equal to 0.027. 0.3 divided 100 is equal to 0.003. 0.78 divided 100 is equal to 0.0078. 432.6 divided 100 is equal to 4.326. 23.6 divided 100 is equal to 0.236. 98.53 divided 100 is equal to 0.9853. Question number 4. Find 7.9 divided 1000. We know that if we divide by 1000, the decimal place left side shift. So 7.9 divided 1000 equal to 0.0079. 26.3 divided 1000 equal to 0.0263. 38.553 divided 1000 equal to 0.03853, and 128.9 divided 1000 equal to 0.1289, and 5.5 divided 1000 equal to 0.0005. Now students, question number 5. Find 7 divided 3.5 is equal to 7 divided 35 upon 100. 7 into 10 upon 35 is equal to 2. Second, 36 divided 0.2 is equal to 36 divided 2 upon 10. 36 into 10 upon 2, 180. Third, 3.25 divided 0.5 is equal to 325 upon 100 divided 5 upon 10. 325 upon 100 into 10 upon 5. 65 upon 10, 6.5. Fourth, 30.94 divided 0.7. 3094 upon 100 divided 7 upon 10. 3094 upon 100 into 10 upon 7. 442 upon 10, 44.2. Fifth, 0.5 divided 0.25. 5 upon 10 divided 25 upon 100. 5 upon 10 into 100 upon 25 is equal to 2. Sixth, 7.75 divided 0.25. 775 upon 100 divided 25 upon 100. 775 upon 100 into 100 upon 25, that is equal to 31. 76.5 divided 0.15. 765 upon 10 divided 15 upon 100. 765 upon 10 into 100 upon 15, 510. Eighth, 37.8 divided 1.4. 378 upon 10 divided 14.10. 378 upon 10 into 10 upon 14, 27. And ninth, 2.73 divided 1.3. 273 upon 100 divided 13 upon 10. 273 upon 100 into 10 upon 13. 21 upon 10 is equal to 2.1. Now students, question number 6. A vehicle cover a distance of 43.2 km in 2.4 liter of petrol. How much distance will it cover in 1 liter of petrol? Answer: distance cover in 2.4 liter of petrol, 43.2 km. Distance cover in 1 liter of petrol, 43.2 divided 2.4. 432 upon 10 divided 24 upon 10. 432 upon 10 into 10 upon 24 is equal to 18. Therefore, the vehicle will cover 18 km in 1 liter of petrol. Thank you students for watching my video. And students, आप इसी प्रकार से मन लगा करके पढ़ाई करते रहें. Students, thank you. Be happy.